Hello guys, so today I'm doing unboxing from Temu. And this is a code for me. This one is for Olivia. My code. These are socks for Monachi. This is a code for Olivia. This one is code for me. This is hand glove. These are an organizer for clothes. This is a storage bag. These are hanging toys for Monachi. And these are socks. This is a nose washer for Monachi. The next package. And my scissors. Oh my god. This is my backpack for school with a badge here. I'm going to open it. Oh my god. This is the backpack. This is the thing to hang on it. Please open it. Cut it open. This, like a unicorn, this thing, and this. Next, this is a lunch bag. Yeah. And this is a pencil case. Okay. And that's all for today. Bye.